It's 11 degrees this morning. Really chilly. Everything is a little sparkly. This is cool. It doesn't happen all that often where the temperatures are just right. This is the bottom of the solar panels for the studio. And what's happened here is we got a very thin layer of ice, which then sort of semi-melted and slid down. But what you have is you have this, ephemeral sort of thing. Like I say, it's 11 degrees this morning, so it can stay like this for a little while. But it's super thin. And it's like sort of warpy because it slid off. Crystals are not perfect because they had started to melt, but it's so cool. Little things like this, you get some odd things sometimes. It's just all supported in midair. It's not on anything, it's actually like in the air. And if I were to touch it, it would crack and break really easily. Here it started to melt more, but it's very three-dimensional. You can see how it's created this like sculpture of ice. Very cool. Actually very cold. It's almost like fabric. And then it's folded and stuff like that. Yeah. Very cool. If you're paying attention, sometimes you can see some cool stuff. Hi, Rufus. You been touring the yard? He says, yeah. I've been touring the yard, Mom. He says, I think I've toured enough. It's 11 degrees out here. That's chilly. That's chilly. Yeah. Is this a listening to the birdies? Mom's gonna have to put water out this morning because I know there's no water. But there is somebody eating at the bird feeder this morning. Let's see who that is. I can hear the little teepee birds. And there's a dark-eyed sparrow over here, dark-headed sparrow over here. Dark-eyed junco, and there's some little sparrows eating at the bird bath. At the bird feeder. Brain is not awake yet. Yeah, there we go. Dark-eyed juncos. But I know that there's no water in there. It's a skating rink. Skating rink. Skating rink. Yeah. See the way that is three-dimensional. It's not just I try and remember to throw the water out at night, and I didn't last night. So we have a solid inch of frozen ice in the bottom. That's why I use the old frying pans. It doesn't damage them. If I had glass or something else, it would wreck the bird baths.